Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is John, and I've been really inspired by a lot of the 30-day challenges. Some people even transform their lives in as little as 7 days. So I thought to myself, you know what? New Year's coming. I'm going to give myself a 30-day challenge and just totally transform my life. I can't wait. I'm very excited. This is going to be one of many multiple day challenges in which I just completely try to immerse myself every day into it, master it, and then see where it takes me in life. This one in particular is quite daunting, and I've wanted to do it for years now. But without all the surprise and mystery, it's programming. So I'm going to learn how to program in 30 days. I'm expecting amazing results. This is going to be fantastic. It's something, like I said, that I've been really wanting to do. And programmers make a ton of money, so this is a great skill to have, okay? I'm going to do everything, and then I'm going to check back in with you in 30 days and show you my progress, all right? We'll catch back up with you later. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, 30 days ago, I was a worthless puke scumbag piece of shit pussy. But you know what now? After 30 days of programming, I feel like a fucking god. I feel like I can do anything. I've made amazing leaps and advances in my being, in who I am. I'm so much more confident now. 30 days ago, I would not have been able to do any of the stuff that I can do now. And I don't know if you're aware, but being a programmer makes you better than everybody else. I am so excited. What I have done and achieved, no one can barely do it. That's why they pay so much for programmers. Before I made this video, I actually uploaded my resume and my code onto GitHub, which, for those of you who don't know, who are not programmers and badasses like me, it's a place where you put all your stuff and all your programs and everything like that, and people can see how amazing you are. That's really what it is. It's just an area for trophies, basically. So I wrote to the FANG companies. If you're not familiar with it, I'll put it on the screen. FANG is Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Nike, Netflix, and Google. Those are the top dogs. Like programming, if you work anywhere else, you're basically a loser. You want to work in these companies, and that's it. So since I have transformed myself in just 30 days and gotten this confidence, I applied to all those companies. I'm expecting to hear back very soon. Okay? I'm going to start making probably 500 grand a year. It's getting really serious. I can show you one of the codes I uploaded to them with my resume on the GitHub. I'll show it to you right now. Okay, let's go. All right. After I show you this, you're going to want in on the action. It's totally natural, okay? So once you see what you can do in 30 days and change your life, just go to the link in the description below and buy my course on how to program and then get accepted into the FANG companies and be a badass. I told you I applied, but I'm so confident with my skills now that I'm going to get the job. So you might as well buy my courses. But let's turn to the program right now, all right? And we'll see. I'll show you exactly what it is. Now, this is a website where you can go really quickly to make some kind of prototype codes if you want. Just like napkin. It's like a napkin for programmers. So basically up here in the top left area, you've got the HTML area. And for those of you who are not programmatically inclined, that means hypertext transfer meta language or something like that. So, and then you have another tag. These are tags. Tags are things that hold your elements. You'll learn all that in my courses though. So just buy those, okay? I don't have to, it's 30 days, man. I transform my life. I can't give you 30 days in, a few minutes here. All right, then you've got these tags and everything, like all this stuff. I know it looks insane to you. It's blowing your mind right now. I know, trust me, okay? That is just how it is in programming, but you've got all that stuff, okay? And then you've got JavaScript. Don't even try to comprehend that, all right? Just watch this, what I do right here, okay? The button element to let you know this is a button element. And then when I click this, run, okay? I'm gonna run this. Watch this. The button element is what we're looking at, okay? Click me. An embedded page says you demand. Who do you think made that? Yo, I made that. Check it out. I'm going to click OK. And just tell me if you can catch what happens. Put it in the description, in the comments below if you know what happens. Oh, shit. Did you see that? The button turned green. It was gray before and now it's green. So I basically use this to apply at the FANG companies and I'm going to get a job like $500K a year. So if you want to know how I did this wizardry, you buy my course and I'll walk you through all this stuff in 30 days. I don't know if you can do this in 30 days. Like this is some high level G shit. You know what I'm saying?